6 predictions if Earth stopped spinning. The Earth is a majestic and awe-inspiring planet, spinning effortlessly through the vast expanse of space. It is the only known planet that can support life as we know it, and its rotation plays a critical role in shaping our planet's physical and biological processes. But what if one day the Earth were to suddenly stop spinning? What if the very thing that gives our planet its day and night cycle, its seasons, and its weather patterns were to come to a sudden halt? The consequences of such an event would be catastrophic, affecting everything from our planet's geology to our daily lives. Did you know that the Earth's rotation has slowed down about 6 hours in the past 40 years? Join us on a journey to explore the chilling reality of what would happen if the Earth were to stop spinning. Why does the Earth spin? Because of how the Earth was formed, it rotates. The Earth was formed by the collapse of a massive cloud of gas and dust approximately 4.6 billion years ago. Once something is set in motion, it doesn't stop in space because there's no air friction. Picture a spinning top that never stops turning. This never happens on Earth because the air slows it down gradually, eventually bringing it to a halt. Unlike a spinning top in your hand, the Earth doesn't experience friction in space, so it is kept rotating for billions of years. It begs the question, is it even possible for Earth to stop spinning? The Earth is unlikely to stop spinning entirely. This is only possible if it is struck by an equal amount of force in the opposite direction. The Earth may spin indefinitely, but exploring what might happen if it ever stops is still thrilling. The Earth's magnetic field will be lost. If the Earth were to stop spinning, it would have a significant impact on the planet's geology. The Earth's interior is composed of several layers, including the solid inner core, the liquid outer core, and the mantle. These layers are in constant motion due to the Earth's rotation, which creates a phenomenon known as the geodynamo, the process responsible for generating the Earth's magnetic field. Without the Earth's rotation, the geodynamo would cease, and the magnetic field would weaken, making the planet more vulnerable to the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that emanates from the sun. Over time, the solar wind would strip away the Earth's atmosphere, leaving the planet exposed to harsh radiation from space. This radiation would cause the temperature on the surface of the planet to rise, making it uninhabitable for most life forms. Oceans move toward the poles. The equator is roughly 21.4 kilometers, 13.30 miles, wider than the poles. This occurred over billions of years during the Earth's formation. The rotation of the Earth created a force that pushed solid matter and water toward the center. This is why the equator has water levels that are up to 8 kilometers higher than they would be if there were no spin. If the Earth comes to a halt, so does the force that keeps the water here. As a result, water migrates toward the poles, making it possible to walk around the equator without seeing any water. The equator would essentially be a strip of land that separates the northern and southern oceans. Extreme winds of up to 1,000 miles per hour could be experienced. The Earth's rotation has a significant impact on the planet's weather and climate. The rotation of the Earth causes the Coriolis effect, which is responsible for the rotation of weather systems and ocean currents. Without the Coriolis effect, weather systems would become stagnant, and the planet would experience extreme temperature differences between the day and night sides. The cessation of the Earth's rotation would also cause the atmosphere to redistribute itself. The atmosphere is thickest at the equator, where the centrifugal force generated by the Earth's rotation creates a bulge. If the Earth were to stop spinning, the atmosphere would flow from the equator to the poles, creating extreme winds that could reach speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. These winds would be powerful enough to strip away the planet's surface and cause massive destruction. It messes up your circadian rhythm. Did you know that your body's internal clock is set by the regular day and night schedule? Anything that interferes with this routine throws your rhythm off. When the Earth stops moving, your entire sleep-wake cycle loses its rhythm. Think of it as prolonged jet lag. Long-term, this may have an impact on several bodily processes, including hormone secretion, energy metabolism, and body temperature regulation. That is, If humans could still exist after the Earth stops spinning, there will be a catastrophic effect on Earth's biology. The Earth's rotation also has a significant impact on the planet's biological processes. The rotation of the Earth creates a cycle of day and night, which is essential for the survival of most life forms. Plants use sunlight to photosynthesize, creating the food that sustains the planet's ecosystems. If the Earth were to stop spinning, one side of the planet would be in constant daylight, while the other side would be in constant darkness. This would disrupt the photosynthesis process and cause widespread famine and extinction. The cessation of the Earth's rotation would also cause changes in the planet's gravitational field, which would have a significant impact on the behavior of animals. The planet's gravity affects the migration patterns of birds and the mating habits of many species. If the Earth were to stop spinning, these behaviors would be disrupted, leading to a decline in biodiversity. End of human civilization. The impact on human civilization would be catastrophic. The extreme winds and temperature differences would make the planet uninhabitable, forcing most humans to seek shelter underground or in space. The disruption of the planet's weather patterns and the redistribution of the atmosphere would also make agriculture and other forms of food production impossible, leading to widespread famine and social unrest. The cessation of the Earth's rotation would also cause changes in the planet's timekeeping system. The rotation of the Earth is used to define the length of a day, which is divided into 24 hours. If the Earth were to stop spinning, the length of a day would no longer be defined, making it difficult to measure time accurately. This would significantly impact human civilization, as many aspects of our daily lives are dependent on timekeeping, from transportation schedules to work shifts. As we come to the end of our journey, we are left with a sobering realization of the catastrophic consequences that would arise if the Earth were to stop spinning. The loss of our planet's day and night cycle, the disruption of our weather patterns, the redistribution of our atmosphere, and the destruction of our ecosystems would result in a world that is almost unrecognizable. It is a world that is inhospitable to most life forms, including our own. Although it's highly unlikely that the Earth will come to a complete stop, some of these effects can also be caused by climate change, which is a real threat. We must strive to reduce our impact on the planet and look for ways to minimize climate change. What are you doing for your part in reducing climate change? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you again soon with another interesting video.